Hello friends, I'm doing good. So today I'll show you how you can change your theme, WordPress theme. So if you want to change, then you should just log in the WordPress panel. After login, then you will see like this type of dashboard. After that, you just click on the themes. They're in existing default themes. So if you want to new themes from WordPress directory, you can just click on add new themes. Here in showing many themes, you can install as you need. Also, you can search boards. Sorry. Yeah, I can install like this. So it will take little bit time. You need to show. You need to just stay a few minutes. Okay, this theme will be not installed like that because I need to permission because I'm using Mac. So I just show you how you can change from existing theme. Like if you want to change this one, then this active. So this one already activated right now. And if you want to like new WordPress theme install from WordPress directory, then you should like need to permission in your folder because I'm using Mac, and if you user as a Windows user, so no need to like any permission. If you change on your live website, I'm using or like localhost, that's why I need the permission. So that's it. It is the pretty easy, and let me know if you have any query. So thank you. Bye bye.